Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making fall hand trees. The supplies we need for this craft are a tissue roll, black crayon, scissors, glue, and construction paper, green, orange, red, and brown. First, we're going to take the brown construction paper and we're going to put it on for the trunk of the tissue roll. And since mine is white, I needed to do the brown like this. And then we're going to trace our hands with each of the colors to make leaves. And then we're going to take our hands and we're going to cut a slit by the thumb, and it's going to be a deeper slit. And then we're going to take glue and put it right here. And we're going to put it on the tree, and then we're going to hold it to let it so it stays upright. And then we will use the orange and the green to make more handprints. There we go. So cut another slit. Add more glue. I'm gonna move that over. And I did make a brown handprint. And then we're going to add the green one. Oop. Add some glue. And this is our fall hand tree. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.